Greetings, welcome to KT and Ringo Martial Arts Academy. My name is Reed, and today we're going to be covering Pinan Yondan. I'm going to do a brief breakdown of the sequences, and then we'll do the kata together. Okay? So, Pinan Yondan starts off right here. You're going to do something similar to Pinan Shodan, where Pinan Shodan goes here to here in a straight fashion. In Pinan Yondan, you're going to be kind of going forward at like a 40-45 degree angle with your arms like this. Okay? Similar to Shosin Kusanku, where you come up like this and come down like this. Ours is just going to go here, right? So you're kind of reaching up to wedge into something, right? And you do it both sides, come to here, transition to your other foot, and shift forward here. Right? After this one, you're going to transition the same way. I'm going to bring my fists like this, and my left leg is going to hook behind my knee, and it's going to push down. So I'm actively pushing my leg against my leg to help with the fall of the following movement. Okay, so we're here with 1, 2, 3. Okay. From here, we're going to do a kind of a C step here and out this way. Okay, back up. From here, you're going to do a C step and go 45 degrees the other way into a reinforced block or miyotode situation here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So you can either do the saucer and cup thing here to here, or you can just kind of roll it and come up. I like to roll it like this. This is more from a her perspective, but it's what I like to do. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, from here you're going to pull in. And the same thing you do in Pinan Shodan, you're going to go like that, kick, but instead you're going to step forward and elbow. And then transition to the other side, up, kick, boom, 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 and then up, back. Okay? From here, you're going to kick, do a rolling back fist, and you're going to step behind. All right, let me go here. Here, 1, 2, step, and back. Right. 1, 2, rolling back to step behind, and you're going to step back and punch. And punch. Okay? After this one, you're going to transfer your weight to your front leg, and you're going to pivot. Okay? So you just did 1, 2, 4, 1, and 2. That's the same idea. I'm going to turn and I have my weight against my leg, and it's going to send me forward. Same thing I did in the opening sequence. Okay, so from here, I'm going to do this direction. Here, 1, 2, boom, 1, 2. So when you go down, the general rule of thumb is whatever leg's forward, that's going to be your blocking arm or your receiving arm. The other is a brace, a support, or an attack. Okay? And then you're going to shift backwards, and then you're going to kick and jab and cross. So in the form, we teach it here is your front foot just shifts back a little bit and you go here. In application, I see it as you're bracing in here and you're pushing backwards, and you're trying to pull the person off balance as you kick and proceed to pummel. Okay, so you do that twice. You have your turnaround here, shift backwards, your kick, punch, punch, this direction, left over right, same thing here, kick, punch, punch, and then you're going to go to 3 reinforced blocks. Okay, you go 1, 3. So once again, you can do the cup and saucer thing, or you can do this. Boom. This is a Luher aspect that I adapt to form. So you're here, 1, 2, kick, boom, boom, and then 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna reach up like this, like you're blocking, and then you're gonna chop in. So you're opening up and attacking the neck. You're grabbing, striking in, and you do 2 cat stances. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Hopefully that all makes sense. So I'm gonna do the form and maybe 2 different directions so you can see the whole thing, and we'll go from there. Okay, here we go. I hope that's good. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below and watch the video on your